What's going on, family? Hey, hello to everybody from El Paso. I just love that AD right there. Y'all need to go and get y'all shirts, support the channel, you know what I'm saying? Let's get Sylvia home. But anyway, today is a good day. All right, first of all, I got my Japanese muscle up there. Thank you guys for sending this out to me. And I've been working on it. I haven't cut these out as yet, but you can see the little imprint on there. Now, I don't know if y'all can see what's going on with this right here, but yes, I've made my stickers, all right? I don't know if the video is gonna do it justice, but take a real, you know, it's color changing. That's what it is. These are gonna be $2.50 shipped. All right, $2.50. I mean, you buy a soda for that much. $2.50. Support the channel. That's all I'm asking. Okay. $2.50. And I ain't gonna lie to you. I know how many test cuts I've made to try and get it down to a good size. All right. Now, you don't gotta throw it in your car, your truck, your van. Throw it on your freezer, okay? A book, a bag. You're a little cooler with your lunch today. Throw it on something, all right? $2.50 ship. So go ahead and hit me up after you watch this video, all right? But anyway, reason today's a good day. I'm gonna flip y'all around because I am about to mess right there. All right. So hold on. Let me go get the tools. And ain't no editor. We're just gonna cut. That's it. So yeah, I picked this stuff up since last year, and I've been on Instagram. Oh, I'm on kind of bumper. Hey, which one y'all want to do? The bumper or the dashboard? But you know what? My weekend's almost over. I say, you know what? Screw it. Hit record. Start cutting. Say, hey, y'all might want to put y'all earplugs in. It's going real loud. So, let me back up because I got real excited. I was about to do some car stuff. Going on and on. iPro. Earplugs. Since I can't find my earmuffs, I'm gonna wear these. Hope they work. And gloves. Alright. So, what I'm using here, bring y'all down a little bit. Tighten that up. To make light work, I'm using a Dremel Saw Max. You get these up at Lowe's. Alright. About $20, $29. I mean $129, not a buck. I'm going to Lowe's, tell them I said $1.29 for no Saw Max. But anyway, 240SX rear bumper and 2003 Nissan Sentra GXE rear bumper. All right. I got the measurements from off my car back in Maryland. My friend measured it for me. We did a video thing and he got me the right measurements. So I already marked it. It's been marked since October, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut where it's got the masking tape. I'm gonna cut above the tape. All right. There's a section here in the middle. It's about a good 15, 16 inches that I'm not gonna use. That's gonna get cut out too. All right. But for now, let me go ahead and cut this off and get everything chopped up. I might have cut this one short. We can call this part one. But as you can see, my blade cutting wheel is eating down. So I know I have like 3 or 4 around here. I can't find them. So I might go to those, spend more money, but part of the game, right? But anyway, I don't think it was gonna be done in time. I wanted to show you something. So I showed you the stickers, right? $2.50 shipped, $2.50 shipped to you. Now, look at that. I know it looks kind of off, kind of twisted, but I'm gonna get it better, okay? Unless it's just, you know, the mirror in the phone. But there you go. And these will come to your door for $12.50. Okay? $12.50. 12.50, okay? To your door. So, go let me know what size you are. You can choose from white, navy blue, or light blue. Those 3 colors. I'll see if I can get some red thrown there. But hey, $12.50 to your door, people. To your door. Go ahead and order one. Alright? Again, I use my phone to record videos. Sometimes upload if I gotta do it quickly. If not, I gotta get on the editor on the computer, give it better quality, you know, better video for you guys to watch. But you start getting these, we help to get Sylvia in this garage, right in this spot over here. This spot right here. It's hers. Alright? Get your shirt, the sticker, we can get her home. Start making more videos. Alright? Shirt and sticker. Don't forget. So, hey, $15, you get a shirt and a sticker. How about that? I mean, you can't beat it, folks. So, anyway, I might have cut it short here tonight. We're gonna call this Custom 246 Bumper, Part 1. And, you know, let me go get them blades and start recording Part 2. Hopefully I can do that tomorrow.